Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Hello friends, and welcome to our channel TubeCore, and in this video we are going to talk about infinite core. So this is an infinite core review, and as you can see right at the top, it shows you send unlimited emails, run unlimited webinars, and build unlimited funnels for a low one-time price, no monthly fees ever. Perfect for beginners with zero tech skills. All right, so clearly mentioning what are they offering and for which audience it's better. So it's better for beginners to get this software because then you don't have to spend money every month. That's what you're looking for if you don't have enough money. Right now, before we get into the details, before we get into the demo as well, we have everything for you. Make sure you go through some disclaimers, because if you are new to our channel, then you should read this disclaimer. It says secret is out. In order to make money online, you need to stop losing money online. That means you need to stop buying make money offers from Warrior Plus, from Zoo, and from other platforms. Okay, anything which says you buy this software, you buy this dashboard or program, and this will make you some money, avoid all that. There's nothing there's no software which can make you money. All right, so make sure you don't buy any money making offers. All right, next thing we talk about is bonuses, concept of bonuses here, which is exposed. So all these affiliates on YouTube, they say that they will give you $1,000 bonus, $5,000 bonus, and God knows what else, right? So this bonus is something which is brainwashed. So nobody's putting money into your pocket, nobody is transferring money into your bank account, because as much I understand about bonuses, that when I was working in my job, I used to get bonus as like extra few bucks by the end of the month, including the salary. So bonus is called liquid cash, and nobody's gonna give you cash into your bank account. So stay away from bonuses. We will talk about bonuses in the end of the video, and we will give you unlimited bonus too. So make sure you watch the video till the end, because this saves you money here. We only recommend you the products which are not make money online. And also in the end, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Subscription is free. Subscribe, hit the subscribe button, like the video, and comment which country you're from. So these three things are free: subscribe, comment, and like. All right, now let's start the review here. Let's get back to the website called infinitecore.co/VIP. and once you're on the sales page here, you have a video talking about the products and services. And then on the right side, you have some features called save up to $937 in marketing budget a year, pay once and use forever, unlimited access, no limitation, stop paying expensive marketing software subscriptions, 100% UV friendly interface, even easier to use than those. All right, it has got 6 months of money back guarantee. So they are confident enough that this software is going to work, and if you're not happy, you have 6 months to get the money back. All right, and then here let's go through some other features. I think they have 3 steps only. So first of all, buy the program login, then choose your preferred feature if you want to use it for webinars, for email campaign, or for website builders. So they have 3 things. And then let's see, these are the product creators, and this is all that. So website is simple, it's not much fancy. So this is again not a money making software. This is a tool. This is a business tool which you can use in your affiliate marketing campaigns. And here we have the demo video. So let me play the demo video right away. As you can see, you have 3 options right at the top. First is infinite webinar, second is infinite builder, third is infinite mail. Okay, now this is a 6 minutes 35 seconds long video, so I will not play the whole video. We will just see the part of the video here. So first of all, it's going to show us what is infinite webinar here. So if I forward it, we go into the inside webinar. So this is a dashboard from where you can set up your meetings and create webinars and things like that. So this is the first feature. Okay, and then second feature is infinite builder. Infinite builder is where you can design your landing pages, your opt-in pages, your website builders, and you can use them as a sales page or as an opt-in page, and you don't have to pay for hosting and things like that. So everything is inbuilt. And then we move on to the last option, which was I think email campaign. So let's go here. So yes, infinite mail. Now do not worry, I will put the link of this demo video into the description box, right? Because this is a 6 minutes long video. I'm not playing it completely, but I will put the link in the description. You can click on the link and you will be able to see the whole demo completely for 6 minutes and 35 seconds long. Okay, and once you see the demo, then you can decide if you want this software or not. So the last feature here is this email campaign, the email marketing, the unlimited autoresponder. And if you go further here, as you can see here on the left side, it shows all campaigns, right? Campaigns and emails, lists here. So you can add your list, you can create campaign to send those emails. Everything is included in the dashboard. The demo is in the description. Click on the link, you will be able to see the whole video. And then let's come back to the screen here. Okay, so let's go back to the website and let me see what are the pricing. So the upfront cost is 17 bucks. Now this is the price, I think, to get into the software, but surely there will be some upgrades. So let's see what are the upgrades here. So the basic price is 17 bucks, as you can see, and then you have a pro feature which is for 37. Then you have golden membership is 27. Then you have automation discount. So you have unlimited. Okay, so this is the one for unlimited traffic. Okay, so let's say if you want to send unlimited emails without any restrictions, I think this might be the price, $77 you have to pay, and then you can send unlimited emails to your list, right? And in the basic price, I think they might have a cap. I don't know what the number is, but they might have a restriction of maybe 1,000 emails or 2,000 emails, I don't know. So that is why the basic price is $17 to try the software. But if you really have a huge email list, then you will have to pay, I think, $77 to get unlimited traffic. All right, so these are the pricings, you can say. And then let's go back to the website here. This is a very simple review, not much to talk about. This is a software. If you have a need of unlimited autoresponder, so for example, if you're using GetResponse, you're using this Aweber, you're using MailChimp, and those are very strict companies, right? They have to verify your email list first, because they will not allow you to send scrape emails. So for example, if you go into Google and you scrape emails, you collect emails from Google search, that those emails are called cold traffic. Okay, so these companies like GetResponse, Aweber, they will not let you do cold emailings, right? But using this software, what you can do is you can go to Google, you can scrape all the emails from Google, you can scrape thousands of emails, and then you can have a list in the software, make a list, and then you can do cold email marketing as well, whether it is to do affiliate, whether it is to sell affiliate products or some other services. You can even do cold email marketing using these kind of email unlimited email funnels, right? So this particular software does not have any restrictions. If you pay them $77, they will not ask you that whom you are sending emails and why. Okay, because they have their own servers. So it's not like their server will be hosted on GetResponse. They have their own SMTP server inbuilt in the dashboard, and that means you can do cold email marketing without any problems, without any verification, without any restrictions. All right, so this is all about it. And now in the end, we are going to talk about some bonuses. And before bonuses, there's one more thing. You will find a link in the description below, so that gives you unlimited hosting, right? Now, for example, if you're running a blog or a website, and if you're paying monthly for hosting, then you can switch to unlimited hosting in just one-time cost. So if you come to this website, after clicking on the link in the description below, you will see it's called getlifesuite.com. Now this website gives you unlimited hosting of websites and domains at just one-time cost, and they also give you autoresponder, funnel builders, and webinar creation. Okay, so this is again good if you want to switch from monthly hosting to unlimited hosting in this one-time cost. And even if you don't have a website and you're thinking of opening a new blog or a website for your business, then you can get unlimited hosting from these people. They will not charge you monthly. They'll only ask you to pay once, right? So make sure you click on the link in the description below in case you want this hosting. All right, now in the end, we are going to talk about the bonuses. Now other affiliates crap you about unlimited, this bonus, that bonus. They'll give you $10,000 bonus or maybe $12,000 bonus. That is all brainwashing. Nobody gives you nothing. But if you want an unlimited bonus without getting brainwashed, then you come to this website called idplr.com, and from here you can get as many free bonuses you want. So you click on this thing called free products, and the free products, you have free ebooks, free software, free videos, free audio, free graphics, free templates. Whatever you want, you can get it from here for free, and even you can resell it for to other people if you want to. So for example, if you click on this free videos here, you have these kind of free video packages, and all those which are saying master resell rights, which means you can download these videos from here and you can resell them to anybody if you want to. and even you can give them to your subscribers, to your email list for free as a lead magnet too. So it's totally free. Don't fall for bonuses, which other affiliates are crapping you about. If you need bonuses, go to idplr.com and get whatever lead magnets you want for free. And then again, in the end, a recap is, if you want to send unlimited emails, you can get this Infinite Core. If you want unlimited hosting, then you can get LiveSuite. Links are in the description, and we will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave your comments.